Okay, so this video is to help you with linear regression models and creating linear regression models off of data in Excel. So let's go ahead and get to it. So say I have this data and I wanted to compare the weight of a car to the length of the car to see if there's any kind of correlation between the two. So first thing we do is select the data. So select the data, click on Insert, hit Scatter Diagram. I want to create a scatter diagram of the data to see if there's some kind of possible linear relationship. So, and sometimes it gives to you and doesn't format the axes too well. And I know we're not supposed to technically not start from zero, so it's giving to us nicely. But in this case, I want to be able to look at the data a little bit better. So let's actually format that axis in that not so nice way. So I want to start a lot higher. So let's say I want to just start at around, that looks like 2500 for that bottom x-axis. So at 2500, and we'll close that. Oops, yeah, there it goes. And maybe I want to even truncate the top too. I don't know. I'm seeing the oops, not that one. Right click. If I want to do the axis, I click on the axis and I hit Format Axis. So I can fix the top even to like 4500 as well if I wanted to. So you might want to do this on your homework. So if I want to do the y-axis even, just see, get just a better picture of this. That's all this is for. So format the axis, click on the axis, and then we format the axis, and we fix the numbers to something like 130, kind of looks like a low, 150, even 140. We could say 140 to, what, about 220? 220? Maybe not even. So let's go there. And that looks pretty good. Probably gonna go to 220, I don't know. So format, let's format, click on it. So you gotta left click on it and then right click on it to format axis. So I wanted to go to 220. There we go. Okay. So now it's done that, and I hate this thing, so I'm going to delete that thing. But when I do the other part of it, it's going to come up with an equation and set it again. So I want a linear regression on this. It looks somewhat linear. It's got a linear trend, so I want to find the linear regression line. To do that in Excel, there's a couple ways to do it. I can go under here under the Design tool and kind of scroll down and find the one that has the little f of x button. So there's the f of x on it. And then I click that, and it automatically come up with the function itself. And I did this little thing which I do not need, so to be able to do it. So move the chart over so I can read it and delete that part so our axes look good. We can title it whatever we want to, right? We can title this as the weight of the car in this case. Weight of the car. And I can title this as the length. If I wanted to, I can even title the car length, title the whole thing as car weight, can't spell weight, versus length. We can title it. And so with this gave us the equation of the line. So here's the equation of the line. This is our best fit line, our linear regression equation. And it also gave us the r-squared coefficient. So, and we talked about what that means in class, and I've asked some questions about it. So now that we have the equation, we can use it and answer some other questions about predictions, and we can answer some questions about r-squared as well. So the coefficient of determination. Okay, and oh, I forgot to say, so if you don't have this little button up here, what we do is you can right click on the chart. So click on the chart, right click, and format trend line, add trend line. There it is. So you gotta click on the data, close to the data, right click, and format trend line. So, and this will get you this set up to be able to do this with it as well, in case you don't have this button up there. So you can even select other kind of models as well if you want to. Some of yours don't automatically still display the equation chart, so if you're using numbers and stuff like that, you want to display the equation on the chart and display R squared value on the chart as well. Those are the two things I want to see. And so you can print this out by right-clicking or just clicking on it and hitting print. So if you go to print here, it'll preview it, and it prints out the whole thing as opposed to the data. I don't want to see the data. I just want to see the graph, the two graphs that I'm asking. So, all right, and that's it. Good luck.